CognitionHealth Limited wanted to join the GCSA Accreditation to really set ourselves the challenge of being reviewed and assessed from an external partner.
GCSA in itself is an evidence-based assessment of processes and staff and how they work and operate against them.
The GCSA standard was developed by working with a cross-section of industry leaders from sponsor organisations, CROs, NHS, regulators including ABPI and the HRA.
For those sites who don't make the grade, they're left with an improvement roadmap to achieve accreditation. GCSA accreditation is really important to the UK health sector because it's a global standard that can be applied locally to make sure people all reach a quality assurance standard, which helps them internally with their people, with their processes, but also with their patients and their clinical trials. So with the GCSA accreditation, CognitionHealth will be able to prove to CROs, sponsors and the commercial sector that they have processes and people that are invested in clinical trials and are achieving a great standard of care for their patients.
Becoming GCSA accredited has really supported CognitionHealth and our efforts to kind of fine-tune our processes, improve our team's performance and their performance development as well. We're really proud of what we do and proud of what our team do as well. And we're always looking for areas for improvement and development, and this process really supported that for us. It was an encouraging process to take that step back and really appreciate what we were doing well and identify the areas where we just needed to make some amendments and adjustments. And having that broad picture of what's going on is really critical to us to understand where we can improve for the patient benefit. We felt it was really valuable for CognitionHealth to be involved in this really early on.
The team were really supportive of the process. We got quite a lot of feedback during the process and were able to kind of implement things even while the process was ongoing and kind of get additional feedback and more support along the way as well. So yeah. So in terms of the impact the accreditation process has had so far, we've seen it's really useful to get kind of an outside view from an independent organisation in terms of what processes could be improved. It was an easy process and it did help to clarify things to have a very clear idea of what the process was going to look like that you were trying to implement. I'd say I would recommend this process to other people. It gives you kind of a good, clear, structured feedback and helps you improve processes.
So the accreditation process is important to me because we wanted to be able to develop our processes to be a little bit more robust, as well as demonstrate what we're already doing really well. There were things that we thought were just everyday, things that were in our normal practices, that were actually quite special and picked up as really great things, great processes. Going through the process enhanced how we were working by fine-tuning things to make sure that we were hitting everything at the best quality that we could do. So the accreditation process improved our business by allowing us to have time to look at our processes, really identify where we could improve and implement those improvements.
So the accreditation process was very useful in making it clear for us as a team to see which roles were designated to us. Yeah, so after the accreditation process, I feel like we have more meetings with other sites. We're more in touch with the recruitment team, for example, we meet daily. Each aspect was assessed to know that you're doing it correctly or areas where you can improve. It's a positive for us because we're able to learn from that, and I think that was very insightful for me.
Recognition do many things well. One standout feature for me was the staff themselves. The quality of the staff and also their involvement and commitment. It was second to none.
We like to promote high quality and high performance, and through this accreditation we've been able to demonstrate that, and we look forward to other sites joining us in the accreditation too.